Yes guys, what is happening? And welcome back to a brand new video. So today we're going to the Nürburgring, me and my brother, and we are taking the Cupra. Unfortunately we've had issues with the DC5 and I don't feel confident taking it, so we're going to play it safe. It's not something I want to do, but we are leaving it home and we are taking this beauty. Oh my god, are you ready?
I am.
Are you ready?
Yep.
First time ever going on track, and it's going to be the Nürburgring with this 500 brake horsepower Cupra. So yeah, let's go. I'm going to do daily vlogs, so you probably see like 7 videos of the Nürburgring, so let's go. Right then, so we've just filled up, going in the Cupra, and then we've got all these down there. So we'll just nip into the toilet, and then we're on our way. So we're not too far away now. I think we've done about 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Obviously I'm a passenger princess, Louis driving in the Cupra. So yeah, hopefully we get there soon. Alright, so we've just turned up. We're going to put our details in now and get through. So yeah, hopefully all goes well. Right, so we've just arrived. I'm sure last time we come here, we had our boarding isn't till 22 minutes past 1. But last time we come here early, it gave us loads of selections, so we could jumped on an earlier train. So even though we've got here early and made cracking time, we've got to wait now for an hour and a half before we can even board the train. So yeah, we're gonna go grab a drink and grab some food and that, and yeah, I'll see you on the train. Right, so it's been about an hour now. Hopefully you can see me. Is there a light thing? Yeah. It's been about an hour now. We just had a cheeky little coffee. We've still got like 45 minutes before we even leave. We're going through passport, security control, so it's like going through an airport but in your car. So they'll check your passport, they'll check your car, so like obviously drugs and stuff like that, so you will be checked. So yeah, just make sure you got all your stuff on you. So yeah, hopefully we get through, and next time we cross this we'll be waiting to go on the train, and I'll catch up with you then. So yeah, see you in a sec. Right, so we've just been scrutinised and that, asking about mods and everything like that, but yeah, we got through. We're just about to board the tunnel now, so yeah, let's go.
Honestly, if we can give man, get on it.
Just like that, 35 minutes later, we're in France. Woohoo, let's go. Whoa. Well then, so we're on the motorway in France, and it's looking like it's going to be 4 hours 30 minutes, and we ain't going to get there till 8. So it's going to be a long old day, long old drive, but I'll share the drive with my brother if he wants to. So let's go for it. Right then, so we've arrived. That's got 250 odd miles still left in the range. That's got about 50. That's about 200. How many miles you got left in the tank?
Really low, yeah. Not enough. I got 116 miles. Oh,
Where's the midnight? Right guys, so you join us. It is 10 to 7 in the morning, so we've been driving. We've got an hour and a half left. We just pulled up at a service station. They've even brushed their teeth on a tap outside, so an hour and a half left. let's go. So this ain't for the faint-hearted. This is a long drive, so just make sure you understand it is probably the longest drive you'll ever do. So yeah, touch down when we get to the Nürburgring, so let's go. So we've been on the go for 12 hours now. Since we left the petrol station, it's been 12 hours. How much fuel we put in? About 70 quid in total. About 60, 70 quid I think we've put in.
Tank and a half.
Yeah, tank and a half. No, that's more than a tank and a half.
Oh.
And we're literally just about to get here. We are 0.7 miles away, so we made it.
What's that there? Of course.
And just like that, we've arrived. Yeah, man. We did it. And everyone, so it's day 2 of the Nürburgring. I'm going to bring you along. We've got some faults with some of the cars. We're going to go for breakfast. I'm going to show you where we're going for breakfast, where you could eat. I'll even show you a walk around the hotel, so I can show you where you should potentially stay, and just give you my overall vlog of like day 2, day 3 of the Nürburgring. So without further ado, let's go. So yeah, Short Focus RS. Oh, look how low that is. Ooh. My brother's Cupra. Golf. We need to find myself a Jubilee ship because the boost hose is pulled off. Tom's Hyundai. So we've gone to try this place called Cockpit for food. The track literally runs just behind it, and as you can see, it just goes up a bit on the hill on the track. So yeah, we're gonna go try out Cockpit, and I'll let you know what it's like.
It's an hour and they want it. It's like, we're off now. And then, what's this going to
Oh, we did it. We've arrived at Nürburgring, but the place we need to go is literally up there. We need a Jubilee clip for the GTI, so Misha recommended this place, so we'll go check them out, and let's go grab one. So let's go. Oh, I got a car to show you as well. This car looks absolutely sick, so let's go. So this store here, they do the odd part here and there, so if you need like fluid and stuff, they do stock some stuff, and they've got some nice cars outside. GTR, Porsche, BMW, and a GTR. When you're taking it's a GTR, Porsche, that is bad. That's like a dream, and that's just outrageous, man. So everyone else has bought massive Alpha's tool set, and he's bought a child's play set to undo his induction kit. Right, this is my now, I'm not alright.
Yeah, but you guys have all got all the tools and no idea, all the gear and no idea. I've got no gear and some idea.
So we drove to go and see the carousel to get some good pictures and that. Obviously being a car person, it's not just about driving, it's about watching it. So yeah, we took both the cars up some crazy ass place. So we're going to screenshot it and put it the location on the maps if anyone wants to do see it. Obviously it's not just about taking it on track. It's about having a look at that. So yeah, we're gonna walk there now, down these woods. It's a nice view, to be fair. Like, if you can catch a break in the trees, it is a hell of a drop, boy. Mate, wish I had a mountain bike, could be straight down there, son. Whoa, a bit of off-roading, son. Go on. That's fucked.
Get a photo of him.
Go on, you'll be alright.
Go on, that bit there.
Sweet. That's not the problem. That's going to be your problem.
What do you reckon?
Yes. No focus RS. Go.
Small wheel burner.
Get your one wheel on there. Go on, boy. Stop, move out of the way. He's going to send it. Yeah, boy. Yes, that looks absolutely unbelievable. Just casually walking through the woods. That is sick, man. Let's go. Right, so I think there's a bit of a walk. It's probably about 10-15 minute walk to get to the carousel. So yeah, we've got to walk ahead of ourselves. Let's go.
Needed that. Good luck to getting up. That's what you're on a video of, getting up.
I'm gonna watch it now, see if we can get.
Where's he gone?
Just here.
Someone thinks they're at cadets.
Slippy that was.
I was.
Hey, good, Scott. Pictures, man. What's all this? Pictures. He ain't there for the opportunity. Guys, so this is a bit random cut to the video. I have got like 1 or 2 clips of the actual Nürburgring, but this is a few weeks after now, and I've come to like mess about with the footage. We didn't. The thing that we kind of did wrong, as you saw from the video, that last bit walking through the woods. Unfortunately, that was the day where they had like a big accident, and unfortunately 2 people passed away, which. Obviously it's terrible news that people passed away, and the track actually closed for that day. So I'm just trying to give you my feedback for you if you were going to Germany. And obviously in this video I didn't want to make like a separate video to like kind of like drag things out, so I thought I'd just clear it all up in this one and kind of go from there. So Eurotunnel, I believe, is supposed to be the easiest and the best way to get to Germany. A lot of people use the ferry. Eurotunnel has been brilliant. The only issue with this one is because it was like kind of a late one we went on, we actually had to wait around for like 2 hours, which is obviously in the video you can see that we were waiting around for ages. But it was like 300 quid. Obviously I was taking my car at the time, and obviously with the clutch playing up, I didn't want to take it. I was like, I wish I had took it now. Obviously don't go to Germany without your car. Don't be that guy. I will never do it again, because that kind of contributed to it not being as good as trip as it was last time. So yeah, always take your car. Even though I paid for the Eurotunnel, I cancelled it like with 2 weeks notice, but I still didn't get a refund. So I paid 300 quid and I didn't even get a refund. So I had to add myself to my brother's car, and then yeah, the thing that we struggled with is when we booked it in advance, it was saying it was open from like 12 o'clock till 7 o'clock most days. We did have a longer trip this time, so it was like Tuesday till Sunday, but Tuesday was like 5 till half 7, so it was like 2 hour slot. And then I think Wednesday was unfortunate that them guys passed away, so like, obviously the track weren't open, like due to respecting that anyway. I think Wednesday it was closed anyway, and then Thursday it was like 2 and a bit hours, and then Friday it was closed, and then Saturday it was on from like, I think it was like 12 o'clock till 7, which was mental. So I would say, like, if you're checking the calendar and you do want to go, I would make sure you go in when track time is fully open, because it finds it gets a bit tedious with, unless you want to chill there and you're just like happy with nothing going on. But you do find that if there's no track time, there'll be not much going on compared to last time we went for the weekend. It was like, it was open from like 9 o'clock in the morning till like 8 o'clock on the evening. So obviously check the Nürburgring calendar so you can see what's actually on. Sometimes it changes, so it could be like look at the draw whether it's closed or not. But yeah, Linden, I think it's called Linden Park where we stayed. It was literally like 2 minutes away. So if you see the fancy petrol station where people drive up and down, it was literally like 2 minutes away from that. I think it was like 1,500 for like 5 or 6 nights, which is like 260 pound per person. And if you like kebab and pizza and beer, it's perfect. But there really isn't much other food that you can kind of have. There is a McDonald's that's like 40 minutes away, and foreign McDonald's is absolutely sexy. But yeah, you're kind of limited. I felt like this time with the track only being open for like 2 hours, the time literally goes like that. I couldn't believe how quick. Like, obviously me not having my car, by the time I got into one person's car, done a lap, and then the other person was like letting the car cool down and then buying a ticket, like you do like 3 laps and like the time's gone. So I definitely make sure that like next time I go next year, I'm going to make sure it's for like a weekend. So I'm going to get down there Friday, Saturday, Sunday, full track time, and then Sunday come back, because I felt like it's a bit wasted because we were there for the track and then I didn't feel like there's much to do. We went for the museum, and then I just, apart from like a little look around that carousel, I think the track was closed. We could hear cars in the morning, and then when we went to go check the carousel out, obviously I think that accident happened, so I believe they stopped the track, so that could be why there was no cars there at the time. But yeah, that lowered focus didn't make it. We only got like halfway, and then they were like, look, nothing's coming on track, might as well turn around. So but yeah, that's my kind of like opinion of the Nürburgring. Let me know your thoughts. I know this is a bit weird, like doing this and that now, but I felt like obviously Saturday was absolutely mega. But before we know it, like Saturday was over and we were travelling back Sunday morning. So I've got a video with my brother in a Cupra. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this one. This is a random one. I know you want to see the DC5 stuff when we're back. So there's this video. Next video will probably be the Cupra on the ring. And then we'll get back to the DC5 actual giving you a drive now, because now it's fixed and it's driving. I can actually give you a drive, get some reactions, get my nan on camera, and then kind of go from there really, and then have a discussion on what we should do next, and go from there. So yeah, I really do appreciate it, guys. So thanks, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.